Hello students, in today's social studies class, we are going to learn about the topic water resource. So let us begin. Water as a resource. Water is one of the most important natural resource and it is renewable. Water is very essential for all living things. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Water covers 71% of the earth's surface. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a large amount of liquid water. Because of this, Earth is also called as blue planet. Water is a vital natural resource which forms the basic of all life. It is one of the marvelous gifts to us. About 70% of the human body is water. The bodies of all plants and animals contain water. 97.5% of the water on the earth is salty, whereas only 2.5% is fresh water. Different forms of water: liquid, solid, gaseous. Distribution of water on earth: fresh water 3%, saline oceans 97% in earth's water. Other 0.9%, groundwater 30.1%, ice caps and glaciers 68.7% in fresh water. Rivers 2%, swamps 11%, lakes 87% in fresh surface water. Sources of water. It has two sources of water: surface water and groundwater. Surface water are lakes, ponds, rivers, storage reservoir. Groundwater are open wells, tube wells, springs, infiltration. Uses of water: agriculture use, hydroelectric power generation, industrial use, others are domestic use, navigational use, public use, fire demand. Sources and uses of water in India. There are two main sources of water, that is surface water and underground water. In India, about 77% of available water is used for irrigation purpose. 13% of water is used for power generation, 3% for industries and remaining of 6% used for domestic consumption. Conservation of water resource. In view of the present shortage of fresh water in many parts of the world, it has become necessary for us to conserve the water and improve its quality. Some steps that can be taken to conserve the water resource and its quality are as follows: stop wastage of water, protection of wetlands, prevent water pollution, adopt rainwater harvesting, afforestation to reduce water runoff. Conclusion: water is a primary natural resource, a basic human need, and a precious asset. A human can survive 50 to 60 days without food, but only 2 to 3 days without water. We need water for drinking, personal hygiene, domestic consumption, irrigation, industrial purpose, generation of hydel power, transport, and recreation. Finally, we can say, without water, living beings cannot be able to survive. Now, we have come to an end of our today's lesson. I would like you all to solve the following assignment in your practical notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.